Hello everyone, my name is Shabnam and I am very delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you and share my views on a topic that is about sports. That should it be mandatory in schools or not? Well, I personally believe that it should be mandatory in our schools. Why? First of all, I would like to mention here about self-defense that kung fu, karate and judo, etc., these all are in sports by which we can save ourselves better. This is my first point. And secondly, here I would like to mention about discipline and time management. Let's take example of a book that is in 12th class, that Flamingo book. In this book there is a chapter Deep Water. From this chapter we learned that persistence and practice leads to the success. That without consistency, practice and punctuality, we can't be success in any field. Like this, in sports we can get discipline and time management, that how to manage our time. That's all.
Okay. Directly, I would like to start my point. At first, I would like to talk about the playground. As you all know very well, to make the sport compulsory, we need playground. And according to a 2020 parliamentary panel report, says that less than 43% of Indian school has not good playground, coach, equipments. As she is talking about she and Sabha, they both mention about same thing. To get something, we will have to lose something. Means we should be persistent and we should be punctual for each and everything. I agree, but I also told you about the some names like Sita Sahu and Tara Singh and Paran Dhawat, but you are not understanding. It is not like that. Second answer for Ilma P. She talked about the career opportunities. Same answer for that. Third answer, same for Ilma P and Rimsha P. They both talked about the money. What is it to you if our government is spending money? How can you claim that our government will spend money on sports when the BJP party before election BJP party says that we will provide you this thing, we will provide you that thing, but do we get that? I don't think so. But you are ready to claim this thing that after making compulsory sport, there will be equipments, there will be good playground, there will be everything. So we should not take the tension and all. But we need to take tension about this because it's about ourselves, it's about our future. Now you can speak.
For making better infrastructure, our government has sold so many historical things. So for the making good health for the student, for making good things for the students, like for physical health, for mental health, they will have to make playgrounds, and they will have to provide so many equipments for safety. And in schools we are getting safety. We are safe that our school is providing equipment for us.
Can you please tell me the name of those schools where you are getting good coach, good equipments, good everything there should be perfect. Playground as
that
well
our physical education teachers are available in the school,
but they are not teaching, that's the thing.
They are teaching. If they miss every week, there is one period to play sports. If it will be compulsory, so definitely we will have to play, and we will get extra period for the sport, by which we can make our career better. And I want to give example like Mary Kom and Sachin Tendulkar. They have started their career in schools. In starting, we can take example of both players.
Okay, may I ask a question, please? As you all are talking about the sports should be compulsory, but when sports would be compulsory and the students academic level go down, who will take the responsibility? Will you take? Will you take? I don't think so. Nobody can take. If they fail, so it's because of sports.